beep beep.
Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep. Beep beep.
Beep beep. Beep beep.
The Prussian blue effect is a captivating video enhancement that introduces a distinctive color palette and visual style to create a unique and memorable experience for the audiences. At the heart of Prussian blue effect is a rich and mesmerizing color palette dominated by deep Prussian blue hues. The effect bathes the visuals in its elegant and regal shade, evoking a sense of sophistication and depth. The deep blues convey a mood that is both calming and mysterious, setting the tone for a visually immersive experience. The video effect incorporates velvety transitions between scenes, smoothly blending the different elements with an artistic touch. These transitions create a seamless flow, enhancing the overall viewing experience. As scenes shift, the Prussian blue tones gracefully morph and intertwine, adding an element of fluidity and cohesion to the visuals. Prussian blue effect emphasizes contrast to accentuate key elements within the frame. The deep blues interact with lighter shades, creating a visually striking contrast that draws the audience's attention to specific details. This play of light and dark contributes to an overall sense of elegance and refinement. G Major Fix 2 is a revolutionary video effect designed to transform visual content with a distinct and captivating flair. The G Major Fix 2 effect introduces a glorious G Major transformation to the video content. G Major is known for its for its pitch shifting and time stretching audio, but this effect takes it a step further by applying similar principles to the visual. It playfully distorts and warps the video elements, creating a whimsical and surreal visual experience. A hallmark of G major fixed 2 is its eccentric color shifts. As the video undergoes G major transformation, color dance and morph in unexpected ways, creating a psychedelic and dynamic visual palette. The effect amplifies the vibrancy of the original colors, immersing the audience in a visually stimulating journey. The G major transformation is applied rhythmically to the video, syncing with the underlying audio, or introducing its own rhythmic distortions. The synchronization creates a synergy between the visual and auditory elements, enhancing the overall viewing experience. The rhythmic distortions adds a playful, energetic dimension to the content. G major fixed to warps time and space within the video, bending and stretching the visuals in unexpected and mind-bending ways. The Sad Waves video effect is a poignant and emotionally charged visual treatment designed to evoke a deep sense of melancholy and introspection. The primary impact of Sad Waves effect lies in its ability to establish a profound emotional atmosphere. The visuals are draped in a subdued color palette, dominated by cool blues and muted grays, setting a somber tone that immediately communicates a sense of sadness to the audience. The defining characteristics of Sad Waves is the gentle undulating motion that permeates the video. The imagined subtle waves or ripples coursing through the visuals, creating a soft and continuous movement. This motion is carefully synchronized with the underlying audio, enhancing the emotional resonance and inviting viewers to immerse themselves in the ebb and flow of emotions. To enhance the dreamlike and introspective quality, the effect incorporates a soft focus of blur. Details are delicately obscured, allowing emotions to take center stage. The subtle blurring contributes to a sense of haziness, symbolizing the blurred lines between reality and emotions being portrayed.